Click the main menu, and from the main menu, click on the Backup and Restore Data. To back up your data, including the invoices, click the Backup button. Select the backup location. This can be saved onto your mobile phone or tablet, or you may choose other options, such as save to cloud drive, email the backup file to yourself, and etc. To restore the SmartPOS app from previously backed up data, click on the Restore button. Locate the saved file. This depends on where have you saved it previously. If the file was sent to your email address, download the file from your email. Then, select that backup file. The SmartPOS app will automatically process the rest behind the scene.